Are the Ahmadi Muslims or Ahmadi Muslim men allowed to pray without a cap on their head or covering on their head?
Why Ahmadi Muslims? Why not Muslims? From traditions we note that the head was covered by Rasulullah and all the Sahaba who followed him in his prayers in the mosque, and it is expected, and maybe in some traditions it is mentioned as well, it was saying his individual prayer, head was also covered. I can infer this from an incident prior to Jang-e-Badr, Ghazwa Badr. He was alone in his tent and praying, and while he cried, the head cover, slid back occasionally because of his shaking, and Hazrat Abu Bakr was putting it back on the head. So that shows that in his individual prayer also he kept his head covered. So it's very essential for Muslims.
I don't.
Hope your wife is not complaining against you in your individual prayer at home. Do you cover your head in your individual prayer at home?
I do. But sometimes when my topi is not there.
That's right. So he must have watched you sometimes, occasionally. It's not his habit. Sometimes he can't find the cap, he misplaced, so they may have gone to the prayer, may have started prayer without it. Right? She's a question of telltale. Another word of advice, don't wait for her to grow beyond 55 for her first time. Although it's possible, but I don't want you to be that late.